There is one quotation by Nikola Tesla. If you want to know the secret of universe, then think in the form of energy, frequency and vibration. And if you want to improve your energy field and you want to be unstoppable, then this video is for you. Hello everyone, my name is Tina Ashok Dhingra. I am organic lifestyle entrepreneur and coach, and I am on mission to help 1 billion people to live organic, healthy and happy life. Today we are going to talk about energy, how we can improve our energy field. It starts with your thoughts and your thinking, and when your emotion will enter, it will go much deeper and it will become like more amplified. Then you have to think, you have to take care of your emotion, what kind of emotion you are having. If you are getting angry or you are getting jealous, then you have to take care of that emotion. And then your actions will give momentum to your energy. So there are 3 processes which define your energy. First, it starts with your own thinking, your own thoughts. So you have to keep check your thoughts, what kind of thoughts you are having, positive or negative. And most of the time we have negative thoughts. Then you will enter in other zone called emotion will enter, and then it will amplify. You have to take care of whether you are getting jealous, angry, you are feeling weak, we are feeling low, sad. Then you have to take care of your emotion part. Then when you will take action, the third step is action. When you will take action, then you will give momentum to your energy. If you are taking any good action, then your energy will be good. If you are taking any wrong action, then your energy will be low. So this all depend on these 3 things: thoughts, then emotions, and then your actions. Do you know, we meet someone for the first time and we feel instant connect, and we get some positive vibe. That is all because of energy level. And some people we meet and we get some kind of negativity. That all depend on their energy, the kind of energy they vibrate. Some people have their own different kind of aura, different kind of energy around them. And so that is very important. People can sense energy. Even words is not required. Energy speak louder than words. So you have to take care of your energy level, and that is very important. So there are 5 ways to improve your energy level. First is take bath. Okay, so you have to water is very good medium to improve your energy. And you have to take bath, and you can add some salt in that and essential oil in that, so that so you have to wash out your negativity, and you can wash your face. You can increase taking bath for 2 times, like in summers, like after waking up and before sleeping it. So you can increase that. It will help you in maintain your energy level. Even in old time, people when they used to enter in their house, and before touching anything they used to take bath. So that is a very good practice to taking 2 time bath, and in between you can wash your hands and you can wash your face, and so that is very important to keep your energy vibration and positive. If you really want to do something big in your life, then you have to vibrate in positive energy all the time. So that this is a very good medium. With the help of water, you can improve your energy level. And second is nature. Like nature also a very good medium to improve your energy. And you can keep some beautiful plant in your room, bedroom, which give oxygen to you. Like some good plants give oxygen to you, like snake plant and money plant. So they give really a positivity and positive vibration to your house and your room. So you can keep some indoor plant in your bedroom. Third is exercise. You have to keep moving your body. If you will be sit in one place all the time And if you will not move your body, then you will be going some negative negative thought. If you are getting some negative thought, immediately change your place, change your area. If you are sitting on some sofa, don't sit for more than 45 minutes or 30 minutes. Keep changing your place, and keep moving your hands, or take a walk and take a break and have a walk. And fifth, clean your house. If you are living in an area which is not clean, then you will vibrate in negative energy. Your negative thoughts will come in your mind frequently. See, sometime from 15 years, 20 years, we are keeping we are keeping stuff we were not using for long time. Then you have to discard that things, and you have to make space, and you have to clean your space. Because if you want to keep your mind clean, before that you have to clean your space. That is very important. And fifth is food. Food play very important role, and because you become whatever you eat, so your food should be high vibration food. It should not made by anybody, and that person is not liking you. And if that person is preparing food for you, and he or she is cursing you while making food, and when you will eat that food, and then you will become bitter person, and you will become negative person. So person who are cooking for you, like it is your wife or somebody or your husband, they should not curse you while cooking food. Because if you will eat that food, your vibration will be very low. So that is very necessary. Because do you know maa ka khana? Why that maa ka khana is very famous, and everybody miss maa ka khana, maa ke haath ka khana when they go to hostel and all. Because when in hostels they prepare food for so many people, 500,000 people, and they just make food for their business purpose. There is low energy food, there is no energy, there is no love, and that's why we miss mother's hand food. Because mothers prepare that food with high vibrations and prayers, and there is so much care, love in that is also important. That's why in most temple we like prasad. And why that prasad, like when we taste, we say that prasad is very tasty because of their vibration, their energy. So that is also important. You have to take care of your energy level. And food is a medium, food and water, both you have to while eating your food, you should pray to all the farmer and all the people who prepared your food. Have a beautiful life, vibrate in positive energy, and have a